I'm gonna film some more tricks if you want me to, but it's gonna be over there.
I don't know where to go, 'cause I know where to go. Well, I know where not to go, 'cause I know where to go. Tonight, we're gonna find our lover. Tonight, we're gonna find our man. Riding 6 white horses, wearing pressed blue jeans. Gonna behead the king and give the queen everything. 'Cause tonight, we're gonna find our lover. 'Cause tonight, we're gonna find our man. We're gonna find him. We don't know where to go. We know where to go. We don't know what to do.
Take 3.
We know what to do. We don't know where to go. We know where to go. We don't know anymore.
Oh my god, Sergio. You fucking ruined it.
Come over here to whoop your little butt.